Hi everyone, Jennifer from Tarle Speech with your question of the week. I have 3 words today. Kəઃlɛkʃən, a group of people or things. Kəઃrɛkʃən, act of correcting. And kəઃrʌpʃən, dishonest conduct. Let's take a look at these words. We're going to start and end these words the same way, so let's talk about that. All of these words start with ka. That is an unstressed syllable with the short And to do that, we're going to start with that K. K. Your mouth is open. Then you're just going to relax it. Ka, ka, ka. Relax the lips, relax the tongue for that sound. Ka, ka, ka. We're going to end each of these words with shun. To do that, round your lips for that SH. Sh. Your tongue is behind the top teeth, and the middle of your tongue is arching towards the top of your mouth. We're going to add another short and then end with that N. So we have ka and shun. Ka and shun. The middle syllables are most important for several reasons. Number 1, they have different sounds, and number 2, they are all stressed. Because these syllables are stressed, they are going to be louder, longer, and higher than the other syllables. The first and the last syllable are going to be shorter, softer, and lower, and unstressed. So for kəઃlɛkʃən, touch those teeth for that L. And then move to the E and then the K. Lek, lek, lek. For wreck, do not touch your teeth with the tip of your tongue. The tip of your tongue is either down or flipped back. Wreck, wreck, wreck. You also might want to think about for the L, your lips are pulled back a little bit more. I'm exaggerating. And for the R, they're square and tense. R. Then for kəઃrʌpʃən, we are actually going to close the lips at the end for that P. Rup, rup, rup. Let's put them all together and give them a try. Kəઃlɛkʃən, 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 kəઃlɛkʃən. Kəઃrɛkʃən, 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 correction. And kəઃrʌpʃən, kəઃrʌpʃən, kəঃrʌpʃən, corruption. Collection, collection, collection. Correction, correction, correction. Corruption, corruption, corruption. Collection, correction, corruption. And now for a sentence. The news wrote a collection of articles about corruption. They had to issue a correction over several errors. Give it a try. People are going to notice the difference. Please share us with your friends and give us a like. And if you have questions, we'd love to hear from you. Put them in the comments below. Thanks everyone. Have a great week.